Welcome back to Auto Korean Vibes, the channel where innovation meets design and we explore the latest from the world of Korean automobiles. Today, we are diving into one of the most anticipated electric vehicles of 2026, the Kia Carens Clavis EV. This model represents Kia's next step into the future of sustainable mobility, combining elegant design, futuristic technology, and outstanding performance in a package that is practical yet premium. Let's explore what makes the Kia Carens Clavis EV 2026 stand out from the crowd. Starting with the exterior, the Carens Clavis EV is a bold statement of Kia's evolving design philosophy. The car's body showcases a dynamic balance between sophistication and modernity, with smooth aerodynamic lines that enhance both beauty and efficiency. The front design is futuristic and aggressive, featuring Kia's new generation, digital Tiger face grille that's completely enclosed, giving it a clean electric identity. The sleek LED matrix headlights stretch seamlessly into the body panels, creating a sense of width and flow. Daytime running lights form a distinctive signature pattern that makes the Carens Clavis instantly recognizable even from a distance. The side profile highlights a strong and confident stance, with bold character lines and a sculpted silhouette that communicates both strength and elegance. The roofline slopes gently to the rear, adding a sporty touch to its overall shape. Kia has focused heavily on aerodynamics, with flush door handles, aero-optimized alloy wheels, and smooth underbody panels that reduce drag and enhance range. The floating roof design and chrome accents along the window line add a touch of luxury, showing how Kia continues to merge style with function. Moving to the rear, the Carens Clavis EV 2026 looks equally stunning. The taillights feature a full-width LED bar that stretches across the back, giving the car a futuristic signature glow at night. The bumper design is bold and modern, while the lower diffuser adds a sense of power and stability. The clean rear fascia eliminates unnecessary elements, emphasizing minimalism and modernity. Overall, the Carens Clavis EV looks futuristic, muscular, and ready to redefine the standards for electric family vehicles. Now, let's talk about performance, the area where the Carens Clavis EV truly shines. Built on Kia's advanced AGMP electric platform, the same foundation used in other successful Kia EV models, the car promises excellent efficiency, speed, and control. The Clavis EV is expected to feature a high-capacity battery pack that delivers impressive range over 500 km on a full charge depending on driving conditions. Its dual-motor setup offers strong acceleration, delivering instant torque and smooth power delivery. The electric drivetrain ensures a quiet yet thrilling experience with zero emissions and minimal vibration. The Carens Clavis EV supports ultra-fast DC charging, allowing the battery to charge from 10% to 80% in under 30 minutes. For daily use, home charging options are simple and efficient. The vehicle also incorporates regenerative braking technology, meaning it recovers energy while slowing down, enhancing overall efficiency. With multiple drive modes such as Eco, Comfort, and Sport, the Clavis EV adapts perfectly to different driving styles and environments. Kia's engineers have tuned the suspension to balance comfort and agility, ensuring a smooth and stable ride whether you're navigating city streets or highways. Handling and control have also seen major improvements. Thanks to the low center of gravity achieved by placing the battery pack under the floor, the Carens Clavis EV offers precise cornering and excellent road grip. The steering feels light in urban settings and stable at high speeds, giving the driver full confidence behind the wheel. Kia's advanced safety and driver assistance features also add to the overall performance experience, keeping both driver and passengers secure on every journey. Now, stepping into the interior, the 2026 Kia Carens Clavis EV offers a space that perfectly combines luxury, technology, and practicality. The cabin design follows Kia's latest, Opposites United philosophy, where technology meets nature in harmony. The moment you enter, you're greeted by a futuristic digital dashboard that blends seamlessly with a large curved touchscreen and infotainment display. Both screens provide crisp visuals and real-time data, making every control intuitive and accessible. The ambient lighting system adds a premium touch, with customizable colors to suit your mood or time of day. Every detail inside the Carens Clavis EV speaks of comfort and sophistication. The seats are crafted from sustainable eco-leather and designed for maximum support during long drives. The layout is spacious, with smart storage compartments and flexible seating configurations that cater to family or business needs. The steering wheel features a sleek, minimalistic design with touch-sensitive controls, giving you full command without distraction. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an intelligent voice assistant that responds naturally to commands. The sound insulation is exceptional, offering a quiet and serene cabin experience perfect for an electric car. A premium sound system ensures that music and media sound crystal clear. Kia's focus on sustainability continues throughout the interior, using recycled and eco-friendly materials without compromising quality or aesthetics. In terms of technology and safety, the Clavis F 2026 is equipped with Kia's latest ADAS suite, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, collision avoidance systems, and a 360-degree camera for easy parking and maneuvering. Every element is designed to keep you safe and connected while enhancing comfort and confidence on the road. In conclusion, the 2026 Kia Carens Clavis EV is a remarkable step forward in electric mobility. It's stylish, sustainable, and packed with technology that makes driving more enjoyable and efficient. Kia has successfully merged futuristic design with practical performance, making this one of the most exciting electric crossovers in its class. From its aerodynamic exterior to its advanced interior and dynamic electric powertrain, the Carens Clavis EV represents the perfect blend of innovation and reliability. This is the future of everyday driving, smart, powerful, and eco-conscious. Kia continues to push boundaries, and the Carens Clavis EV is proof of that. You've been watching Auto Korean Vibes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and updates on the latest Korean automotive innovations.